You won't believe the space in this thoughtfully laid out floor plan nestled on a 1-acre lot. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, home office and sunroom in 2,948 square feet plus a 3-car oversized garage. All rooms are generous in size, each with its own unique appointments. Many rooms have ceiling fans and 3-inch blinds. There are tons of built-ins and storage throughout the entire home. The sunroom has skylights and additional pantry storage. The kitchen even has a you'll love the utility room with sink and built-ins. The utility area has built-in cabinets, iron station, a sink and room for a full-size washer-dryer area. The HOA is active and has regular events on their private lake. The garages are full. Unable to measure.